Hey there, everybody. This is how to add and change things from your LRP cart. So it's the beginning of the month, and it's time to add those items that you want in your next LRP order. So when you first log into your doTERRA account, it should bring you right to this page. But if for whatever reason it doesn't, you can always access your LRP orders from the account menu. So if you click Account and click Loyalty Orders, it will bring you right here. So this is the cart I'm going to edit today. So doTERRA doesn't allow you to delete everything from your LRP cart. If you try to delete everything from your cart, it will throw an error message at you and automatically put everything back in, which can be a little bit frustrating when you've worked so hard to do all of those clicks, especially if you're doing this on your phone, because it can be a little bit tricky. So I always recommend that people add new items before they delete their old items. So this is my On Guard cart. I keep 2 carts active. This time of year especially, I always like to have some things of On Guard in my cart because they tend to go out of stock. And oftentimes what doTERRA will do is tell people, they'll say, that the On Guard is only available for people that already have it in their cart. So that's just a little tip from me. If you know you're going to be needing On Guard, especially for back to school, put it in your LRP cart now, because when it becomes unavailable, doTERRA will always make sure that they have enough of the product to cover the LRP carts that are currently active. So I'm going to add a couple things to my cart because it's the new month. So I'm going to do, I need some of the throat drops. So I need the Breathe drops. I need the On Guard drops. Where are they? We'll do it this way. Throat drops. I need, what else do we need? I need some lavender. Okay, so I've added my new items to my cart, and then what I'm going to do is go back and delete my old items. I'm not going to delete the On Guard beadlets because those go out of stock really quickly. But I have enough sanitizing mists, so I don't need any more of those, so I'll delete those. And I just got the soft gels, so I should be good for those for a while. But I'm going to keep the On Guard beadlets in there. So now what you want to do is you want to save and process on whatever your date is. You always, anytime you change your cart, you want to click that Save and Process button, because that will make sure that your new cart is saved and it will be ready to process on whatever date that you have it set. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to message me or comment below, and I will answer them as best I can. Have a great day.